Good morning. I'm here for my very first ever pin drop Tuesday. We're here at Epcot. It's about 8:30 right now. The park opens at 9. This is my first time doing this, so I will give you all the tips and tricks on if I arrive too late, how long the line is. So we'll see. It's also the first pin drop of the year. So we're gonna see how this goes. There's people flooding into the park right now. So I will let you know and come with me, and let's fingers crossed hope we get the pins that we want. Oh, found the line. So it looks like they haven't let anybody in yet. So it's 8:37. So this is good. I think we're making good time. Early entry was over there to the right. We're over here to the left towards Creations. Here's a look at what's available for today. All right, so we are out of Disney Traders. It wasn't a full success, but it wasn't a full, a full flop. I only got one of the pins that I really wanted. They sold out of Winnie the Pooh, they sold out of Windows of Attractions, and then they sold out of the Goofy Gumball one, which is also another collection. I forget what that is called, but they literally sold out of that one. That's one of the ones I wanted, with 5 people in front of me. So I was like, darn it. So we're definitely gonna have to try this again, come back. I might try a different park. If you guys have any tips and tricks, which park to go to, how early I need to be here, should I go to the right, to the left? I don't know. So this was my first time, trial and error. These are the 2 pins that I did get though. I did get the Kylo Ren pin. I wasn't gonna get this, but everybody was talking about it and I figured it would be a good trader. And maybe Jimmy will like this. I don't know, it was really sturdy. This was the pricey one though. This was $30. And then I am really excited about this one. I got the Fantasmic pin, which has glitter. So this is one of the top ones that I wanted, and this is one of 4, so 3 more will be dropping throughout the year. But I'm really sad about the Windows of Attraction. That was like my number 1 that I really wanted to get, and I felt like I got here early enough. Everybody was saying how chill it was and that it wasn't super busy. The line wasn't crazy long. A lot of people were there for Winnie the Pooh too, and that was the first one that sold out, so a lot of people did drop out of the line after that. So, and they didn't say, literally not until I got to the door did they say, oh, we're running low on Windows of Attractions. But the line is kind of deceiving because they have a whole bob and weave situation in the store as well, which probably held like another 100 people, and everybody can get 2 pins each. So, but let me know which park I should try next for Pin Drop Tuesdays. And maybe we'll try a different park next time, or else we'll just get here super early. But the thing is, I got here early and there were maybe 30 people like in this group of people walking to the pin drop. So a lot of people I think had early entry, so they must have been staying at a hotel or however. I think that's the only way to get early entry. So we'll see. We are definitely coming back. We are definitely trying this again. So, because I really want the other Windows of Attraction. So I think those will drop the first Tuesday of every month. So Disney has been better this year of telling you what dates the pins will drop. Last year was a shot in the dark. So that's nice that you know which Tuesdays to come to if there are certain ones that you want to. I thought that was bird poop that just fell, but it was just a berry. But leave your tips and tricks of Pin Drop Tuesdays. Which park should I go to? How early do I need to get here? Any help is much appreciated. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next Pin Drop Tuesday. Bye. Have a great day, and please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.